Hello and welcome to the tutorial on how to make a booking for the booking system. We assume that you're already logged into the system and you'll have selected bookings at the top. This will bring you to the bookings dashboard, and from here you simply need to select booking planner to make a booking. On the booking planner page you'll see all of your rooms down here on the left hand side, and you'll see that the system is following the school day. This may be different depending on how your system's set up. I have my date selected here, which is I've selected as Monday the 1st of November. I can change this to another date if I need to. So depending on what I need to do, I can change the date as I need to. Everything that's coloured white here, all these cells that are coloured white, these are my bookable times and dates. So to get started, I just need to select what I want to book. So I'm going to book the conference room. When I'm ready, I click proceed down in the bottom right. Now I've got some additional options. So at the moment, this is a single date booking, and I'm making the booking between 10 and 12. I may want to adjust my times, so perhaps I don't want it for the whole 2 hours. Repeat other dates, perhaps I want the conference room for the next few Mondays. And book additional resources. So I'm booking the conference room, but I may want to book an additional resource to go with that. For the purpose of the tutorial, I'll show you what each of these do, but typically you may not choose all the different options. So this is adjust times. So what we've got is the system zooms in, there's 10 o'clock, there's 12 o'clock, and it breaks the whole time into 5-minute intervals. So I can change what I need. If I need to go into the next time slot, I can. Once you've done that, click proceed. Then we've got repeat on other dates. The legend tells me what's going on, obviously if it's in use or if it's unavailable. You can see here that I can't book beyond a certain date in January. That's because there's something called book in advance, which is a setting for standard users. And it'll stop, depending on how your administrator set things up, it'll stop you booking certain rooms for certain periods of time. So choose the dates that you want. Maybe I want the next few Mondays. Click proceed. Then we've got book additional resources. So what the system does is it looks at the 4 dates that I selected, and it looks at all the resources that are available between 10 and 12. So resources have quantity. It's only going to show me those that are available. Let's assume I want to book the data projector. So had I not chosen adjust times, repeat on other dates, and book additional resources, I'd have come straight to this page. So this page is kind of like a quick summary before I complete the booking. It's being booked by me, and I've got some additional notes here, some additional options. So this is something that we call custom booking notes. These may be set up for your particular room. So here it's asking me for what kind of refreshments do I want, do I require a conference layout, I'll say yes to that, my initials, and a note for the projector. I'll say I want the Sony, please. Once you're ready and you're happy with that, click confirm. That completes the booking. From here you can amend the booking and cancel and make some changes to it, but for now let's just go back to the booking screen, and you'll see there's the booking there. So if you want to see more about how to amend your booking and the other features that are available in the booking planner, please check out our other videos. That ends this tutorial.